Do you think your password is strong? No. For hackers, it might just be a 10-second job. Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. I am Pranav and welcome to Cybersonick, your one-place destination to become cybersecurity expert. तो जैसे कि आप सबको पता चल ही गया होगा कि ये हमारा प्लेलिस्ट का पहला वीडियो आने वाला है। तो आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे टॉपिक के बारे में जो बहुत ही डेंजरस भी है और फैसिनेटिंग भी, हैकिंग। सो लेट्स बिगिन। व्हाट इज हैकिंग? व्हेन पीपल हियर द वर्ड हैकिंग they often think of cyber criminals breaking into the system, but this is only one side of it. Hacking means using of skills to break into the system. Do you know hacking is not always bad? But how? Let me tell you. Ethical hacking. So what exactly ethical hacking is? Ethical hacking is the use of hacking skills legally and ethically to identify vulnerabilities in a system before any malicious attacker could exploit them. Okay, but who are these malicious attackers? Do you know? For this, we have to discuss about the types of hackers. So let's see. Hackers are of three types. White hat, the good guys. They are often hired by private or government organization to secure themselves. The second, the black hat, the bad guys or the cyber criminals. They misuse the vulnerability and exploit them and demand ransom or attack them to cause damage. And the third is grey hat. They lie somewhere between the white hat and black hat. They sometimes do good, but sometimes they are bad. So they are called grey hat. So after knowing this, the question arises is how to become a hacker, right? So let's see. The first is networking concept. You should have all the fundamentals of networking. You should have Python for scripting. You should clear all cybersecurity fundamentals like OAuth 10, encryption and all. And lastly, tools. You need to learn tools like Nmap, Metasploit, Burpsuit, Wireshark. So with the rise of cybercrime, ethical hackers are in demand. So some of the posts you could aim for are SOC analyst, penetration tester, security analyst,